Salesforce introduced the ability to use flows to power approval processes. This feature doesn't consume automation credits or orchestration runs. To create this special type of flow, press on New Flow and then select Start from Scratch. From here, you want to select a flow of type Record Triggered Approval Orchestration and then press Create. In this screen, select the triggering object and the condition when you want the flow to fire. We only want this to run when a record is updated to meet the condition requirements. On the flow canvas, we need to enter a stage. Within our stage, we can add steps, including approval steps and background steps. We're going to keep this simple and select approval step, and then I'm going to define a label and description. I'm going to set the action as approval summary and then define the record as the triggering opportunity. I can define the approver as a user, group, or queue. In this case, I'm going to select a user and I want to give this action the triggering opportunity ID again. And now I can choose whether I lock the record or not. With a traditional approval process, you had to lock the record. So I'm just going to keep that on. I'm going to save my flow and then activate it. Let's jump back to the opportunity page and add our approval component. So from here, I'm going to press Edit Page, and then I am going to add a new tab, and I am just going to call this Approvals. I am going to click into it and then add the approval trace component. You cannot use the standard approval history related list. Even though it's on the page, it won't display anything. So that's done. I'm going to save this and then I'm going to jump back to my record. I'm going to move the record along all the way through to negotiation review. That should have now triggered my approval process in the background. And in fact, we can see it here. The approval process has gone through and it's got a status of assigned. And I'm going to press review. And then from this screen, I'm going to approve the work item and then press confirm. Let's just click back to the record and see what's happened. So we can see that that status is now updated to approved. And now I can focus on other tasks.